Don't forget to subscribe. It looks like being a hairdresser in South Africa just got complicated. And it's not the hairstyle. I mean, it has been a long week of madness, opinion, debate, blackness, wokeness, racism, chisco, burning stores, high expectations, and a lot of confusion. And it's not the hairstyle. Yesterday, just yesterday, Unilever, and no, not Unilever, not liver like sibeti, as in like unalesibeti, as in like unesbindi. No, I meant Unilever. As in like one of the biggest companies in the world with more than 400 brands under its umbrella and at least 2.5 billion people using their products on any given day across the globe. Together with Clicks, they joined hands and they want to meet the representatives of the EFF to donate scholarships and pads and give Tusme a little pep talk about staying off work for 10 days. And not to corner type of thing. I imagine for them to think about their recent campaign and their future with Clicks. Maybe, yeah, just some time before they get back on their shelves. And the moral of the story is, I don't know. What do you think? Racism can be solved with pads and scholarships because an act of kindness ends racism. The whole week was weird for me. It felt like I was pranked by Leon Schuster and Alfred Ntombela. I won't lie. I'm not sure why I was angry at Clicks for trying to sell me a product that is supposed to help me take care of my dry, dull, frizzy, flat, fine hair. I mean, all those are not nice things to hear someone say about your hair. But I'm sure you've heard your hairdresser use those type of terminology somewhere. Unless if your hairdresser is one of those who just hit you in the middle of the head and go, when I'm really man. But apparently, that's not the problem. That's not the issue. The problem is that Trusume and Clicks used the words normal hair to describe white people's hair. As if white people don't have normal hair. And like, what are we arguing here? That our hair is more normal than white people's hair? And I won't lie. But at the same time, I was angry. It didn't make sense. I went to drink more, to calm myself down, and I came back. I looked at the campaign and I was like, wait, why am I surprised? This is what happens when companies hire white people to advertise white products they want to sell to black people, and they use Google images search results to make decisions. Like, don't Google the words normal hair because you don't want it. It's confusingly offensive, very confusing. Apparently racist, but also because the EFF won't travel to Silicon Valley to shut down Google headquarters. They won't stop using Google too. And Google is not coming to their headquarters. They can Google them. Clicks and Trusume put in the words normal hair next to an image of a white woman's hair. It's like using the words normal heat to, I don't know what, to capture an image of the sun, and the stove shouts, hey, where now? I'm hot, and it's normal. Whatever makes you comfortable, Princess Diana. It's like using the words normal to describe Kanye. That doesn't mean and shouldn't mean that you are not normal because you're not a billionaire or the greatest rapper of all time. All it means is that in some circles, you are not normal. But also, Clicks and Trusume have saved themselves a lot of trouble and not use images in the first place. They could have done that, just like our friends at Organics. But someone wanted to impress their girlfriend and they put their image there, and it ended in tears. Of course, there were some cloud chasers who confused this conversation with the conversation of women wearing weaves, and some who confused natural hair with normal hair. Normal hair and natural hair. Natural and normal. That's like Oscar Pistorius, Usain Bolt, and Caster Semenya running in one race. Normal will always be subjective, will always change with cultural trends and conversations. As for natural, I mean, natural is nature at its best. It's beyond me and you. It happens. Did the EFF make the right decision? Go argue in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. My ladies, now I weave. Never only pele weave mampela. Horse. What baby son? Horserian. Peruvian.